wanted to show a couple of features, or technically one feature of the new Lightwave. Let's say that you draw a couple of intersecting shapes like this. Over here in the toolbar, you'll see a little scissor icon. Now, if I click that, you'll see that parts can show up red, and it literally cuts those out. That's the main feature I wanted to show. Now I could cut this one out here as well. Now, of course, the same thing can be done. Let me do undo, undo. Now, if I select both of these shapes, of course, I can come over here and do Boolean to end up with the same shape. But the idea is a lot of people don't understand the Boolean function, or they don't want to get rid of all of the shape in the middle, so that you just want to get rid of one, so you could go like that. And this is now a shape. So yeah, it kind of, you know, helps in that matter, although this one is now an open shape. So you can't fill it because it's open. But if you're just using line mode, then you can do that. So if you just want to, you know, let's assume here, let's go backwards a little bit, and let's assume that I wanted to make this a square with like notched corners. You could, in theory, I'm not going to worry about lining this up too well, but you could, in theory, do something like this, and then go over here and get rid of these. And now you have lines, but if you get rid of the circles now, I don't know what this would be used for, but you know, but now you have a corner with notched out, a square with notched out corners. Anyway, that's just it basically, it's a Boolean function, but it's selectable and changeable by you, and you can see what's going on because of the fact that it shows you in red what it's going to remove. So some people may find this much more easy to understand than the normal Boolean functions that you have over here. And that's basically what the new part of this is. And that's all this video is about, is just that real quick there. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials in Lightwave to come. Lightwave. Lightwave is the 3D program that I use for creating models for 3D printing. This is Lightburn. Sorry about that. Okay, catch you in the next video. Bye.